Turn the system on. Quickly adjust magnification levels by pushing the plus or minus buttons on the control panel. View current zoom level on screen. Hold the center button down for 3 seconds to use automatic exposure and focus. Locate the magnified area using the laser pointer. Enter manual focus mode by pushing the plus and minus buttons at the same time. Adjust focus by using the plus button if you wish to focus on something close, and the minus button if you wish to focus on something farther away. Short push on the center button switches between exposure, iris and gain, and preset mode. Manually adjust exposure settings by pressing the left and right buttons on the control panel. Pressing the right button on the control panel increases iris and gain or switches between zoom preset 1, 2, or 3. Pressing the left button on the control panel decreases iris or gain or switches between zoom preset 1, 2, or 3. To change and save a zoom preset, use zoom buttons to select the zoom level and simultaneously press left or right buttons. The on-screen display will show which preset number you have saved. Easily changed lenses. To open the Tagarno on-screen display menu, press and hold down the center button for 5 seconds. In the menu, you are able to state close-up lens, set start magnification, change video format, and other general settings.